Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung portable T7 SSD drive to this device. Okay, so with the help of a Type-C cable we can easily connect the Samsung portable T7 SSD to this device. You can see the cable, right? So first of all we need to connect this cable to your SSD. Yeah. Now connect the other end to your device like this one. After connect this one, you can see one light you can see here. Now this is successfully connected to this device. Okay, now directly go to the files application, tap on browse. Here you can see the name of this SSD. You can see here, tap on this one. You can see now it is empty. Now this is successfully connected. Now this SSD is successfully connected to this device. So let me show you how to transfer the files to the SSD and vice versa. Okay, first of all open the photos application, and now you need to select the photos or files, videos that you want to transfer to SSD. So in a single tab, if you want to select multiple photos, tap on select on the top right side and you can select multiple photos or videos. You can see I selected one video and 8 photos, total 9 items selected. After select this one, tap on the share button on the top bottom left side, tap on save to files. It will directly open your SSD files application, and from here you need to select your SSD. Okay, you can see the name of this SSD. You can see here, tap on this one and tap on save on the top right side. Okay, now go to the files. Now you can see the SSD. You can see here. So successfully it is transferred. So same like this way you can easily transfer the files from the SSD to your device also. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.